Welcome back to Rec Trends channel. Today, we've got some exciting news from BMW. And it's not just another SUV. In a world dominated by sport utility vehicles, BMW is still showing love for wagons with their upcoming 5 Series Touring. Codenamed G61, this long-roof beauty is set to make its grand debut in the spring of 2024, with sales starting later in the year. BMW has given us a sneak peek with a teaser image, although it doesn't reveal too much. What it does show, however, is that the taillight signature will resemble that of the smaller 3 Series Touring. An exciting design choice, to say the least. One of the most intriguing aspects of the new 5 Series Touring is the powertrain options. BMW intends to offer the same powertrains as the 5 Series sedan, G60, so you can expect a variety of choices. That includes gasoline, diesel, plug-in hybrid, and electric variants. But here's the kicker. The mighty M5 Touring is making a comeback for a 3rd generation. It follows in the footsteps of the ultra-rare E34 and the V10-powered E61, and it's bound to be a thrilling ride. Don't get your hopes up for a V8 underneath the hood of the regular 5 Series Touring, as the M550i xDrive won't be making a return. Instead, only the flagship M5 will sport 8 cylinders thanks to the M Division's new S68 engine. This twin-turbo 4.4-liter powerhouse will work alongside an electric motor, similar to the XM's drivetrain. While this might add some weight compared to the old M5, it's all in the name of meeting those strict emissions regulations while keeping a large displacement IC. Because all versions of the 5 Series Touring will share the same KOLESA platform, the design changes between variants with and without combustion engines will be minimal. These cars will look nearly identical inside and out, with the M5 being the obvious exception. It'll have wider fenders, a quad exhaust, and M-specific kidneys with horizontal slats. And if you're into electric options, the i5 M60 Touring might also sport that more aggressive grille. It's an exciting time for BMW enthusiasts. So, mark your calendars for February 2024, because that's when the world premiere of the new 5 Series Touring will take place. We can't wait to see this beauty in action and share more details with you as they become available. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on the channel.